What's going on, guys? RG the Wolf here, and I'm going to be reacting to another emergency alert system. So, this is a Five Nights at Freddy's emergency alert system. But let's see if he plays the game or not. Can you play it real quick? Yeah, boy. What the heck? A stickman. Huh. Play it, boy. Fuck. No. Come on. You suck. No. I hate you. This sucks.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles State Police Department and the Los Angeles Emergency Management.
Okay.
At approximately 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, police and fire departments have reported that Fazbear's Fright the Horror attraction has been setting on fire.
Oh, shit.
And there was an unknown suspect seen escaping the building and breaking into people's homes and murdering them.
Oh, shit.
Civilians are asked to lock all doors and windows. We cannot identify the suspect as it is most likely dangerous. If you have any further details on these acts, please call 911 immediately.
Oh, I'll do that. 45 minutes later. No. What'd I just say? I said no. What the hell? Local area emergency for your area until further notice. See what we can find.
Message has been transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles State Police Department and the Los Angeles Emergency Management. This is a law enforcement warning. At approximately 5:45 p.m.
It's a local area emergency.
Burglaries and break-ins have been reported in the streets of W. Garceland Avenue, W. Emerson Avenue, S. Nicholson Avenue, Everett Avenue, S. Gold Drive, and several others. As a precaution, all residences within 10 to 15-mile radius shall keep all doors and windows locked. Do not let anyone into your home. If you observe anyone trying to break into a home or business, contact 911 or the Los Angeles State Police Department immediately.
Wow. That's all you just said? 30 minutes later. Attack.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles State Police Department and the Los Angeles Emergency Management.
Yeah.
This is a law enforcement warning.
What I just said.
At approximately 6:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, several people have been seen brutally murdered with their eyes gouged out.
Oh.
He was identified as he was seen trying to hide a body and run away as fast as possible. The suspect description goes as follows. He stands in at 30 to 40 inches tall, has a green body, blood and guts hanging out, and
Whoa.
human eyes. If you see the suspect, be sure you call 911 immediately.
Okay.
Do not attempt to stalk him yourself. Do
Yeah.
not put your life at risk.
I can stalk him myself. Yeah, I have a grenade. I have a 45 minutes later. I have an RPG. Just kidding, I don't. I'll blow them up to smithereens if I can. Smithereens.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles State Police Department and the Los Angeles Emergency Management. This is a law enforcement warning.
Yeah.
At approximately 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Los Angeles police have reported that there were plushies that are the yellow bunny plushies near the bodies after the murders.
Oh.
And after every murders, there was a file named Sprintrapavi. If you see the file, do not attempt to open it, as it may allow the suspect to find you.
Oh.
If you see the suspect, do not attempt to stalk them yourself. Be sure you call 911 immediately.
Screw that. If someone opened it and be like, and you'll see me on the street, but like this, I'm going to my house, freaking go for lockdown right there. Just say 30 minutes later or 45 minutes later or something. What's gonna happen now?
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles State Police Department and the Los Angeles Emergency Management. At approximately 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, police have catched the suspect as he was seen trying to hide a body.
Yeah, boy.
Broadcast and cable systems shall resume to regular programming.
Yeah. Yeah, boy. Did you really think he stopped? He didn't stop. He's in jail now. Okay. Trap him in there for life. Or burn him in hell. Oh, what happened now? Oh my god. Can you stop? Can you stop? Can you or can you not stop? Can you not? Can you not, please?
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles State Police Department and the Los Angeles Emergency Management. This is a law enforcement warning. This is not a test. At approximately 11
Yeah. I get what you're
the
saying.
suspect was reported missing from his cell during a routine head count.
What?
He was confirmed deceased shortly thereafter. The suspect was also known as the one responsible for those break-ins and murders from the earlier week.
Whoa, shit! What happened? Oh, shit. God damn it. What the fuck? What the hell? Anyway, guys, hope you liked that video. Make sure to subscribe. Comment down below, what do you guys want me to do next? And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, you bros.